All right, here's a little video update of the teardown progress of 3430. As bad as the rust is on the cross member, the crumple tube actually looks to be in really decent shape. I don't find any, there's some serious surface rust in the crumple tube, but there's no rot. And then I noticed the other day that my LCA is pretty jacked right there. So probably need a new one of those. Got all the lines off, shifters out. I started taking the axles off. That's the axle bolts. The flexible brake lines are definitely difficult. Yeah, see, this one I couldn't get out. But hopefully once I have the engine and tranny out, I can work on banging it out from this side. Hopefully should have the engine and tranny off this weekend. Borrowed a nice beefy engine hoist from a friend. So, other thing, my brake calipers from the front are pretty crispy. So, debating on having these blasted professionally or trying to do it myself with my little soda blaster. All right, saga continues.